The US currency is now drifting lower after a 6-day rapid rally. The Australian dollar regained footing, extending the bullish trend for the second session in a row. The dollar's pullback was triggered by weak manufacturing data from the US and comments by some officials of the Federal Reserve. St. Louis Fed President James Bullard said the declining yields of the US Treasuries and the fallout from the trade war to the US economy require resolute actions from the regulator. His counterpart from Boston, Eric Rosengren, supported this viewpoint. The first contraction in the US manufacturing sector in 3 years accounts for pessimism of the Fed officials. The US dollar index retreated from a 2-year high reached yesterday. In the Asian trade, the index settled down at 98.93. The dollar's retracement enabled the yuan to recover from the lowest mark in 11 years, though its growth was muted. Traders are fretted about the protracted battle of tariffs between the US and China. The yen is giving to the US dollar since early morning. The yen is weighed down by the Bank of Japan as a board member of the central bank said that the time is ripe to ease monetary policy to cushion the domestic economy against risks. The dollar-yen pair rose to 106.22. The Australian dollar is taking advantage of the greenback's decline. The Aussie finds support from Australia's GDP data for the second quarter. Australia's economy expanded in line with expectations. Besides, the Reserve Bank of Australia made it clear that a rate cut is not an urgent move despite risks from China. From the point of fundamental and technical analysis, the Australian versus the US dollar pair could surpass the level of 0.68 after touching an intraday low. At present, market participants are riveted to the political developments in the UK. Yesterday, the British lawmakers approved Parliament's agenda on Wednesday. They aim to consider the proposal which would block the UK exit from the EU without a deal. The pound sterling bounced in response. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.